2019, Stel has the fans' full support on the last leg of his EP tour in Taguig.
McDonald's Market located at Miranda. See you there!
Stel first performed his song Classic, which hyped up the audience.
Every time I see you, it's deja vu, 'cause I keep on falling and falling for you. Baby, you're a classic. I just gotta have it every day. Sprinkle up the magic, making me feel some type of way. You got me saying, baby, you're a classic. Classic, classic, ooh.
Stel was amazed by the number of people who came to support him. He wasn't expecting that many people would come to watch him.
Yung mga nasa likod, okay lang ba? Yung nasa second floor, kumusta? Third floor, mag-ingat! Magpapatalo ba yung nasa fourth floor? Ayun nandito sa harap, kamusta? 18, mag-ingat! Berries, mag-ingat! Ah, grabe. Dito sa gilid, okay? Dito sa kanila, okay? Grabe. Hindi ko po yung na-expect na ganito karami yung pupunta for today. For today's event. Actually, ito na po ang last stop ng aking Boom Tour. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta ngayon dahil grabe, hindi ko po yung na-expect na ganito karami yung pupunta. Maraming salamat po. Yung song po na
He also revealed that his song Anino will have a music video coming out on August 31st.
alam mo, grabe ako mag-hype, pero parang wala lang naman to. Anyways. Alam niyo ba na ang ang kanta kong Anino ay magkakaroon ng music video? Yeah. So, ayun nandito sa harap, kamusta? 18, mag-ingay! Berries, mag-ingay! Oh, grabe. Dito sa gilid, okay? Dito sa kabila, okay?
He sang his song Di Ko Masabi.